Okay, there are two methods of selecting. You can either select from this, right, like this, from left to right. Okay, so let's suppose I'm selecting like this. Okay, when you select from this left to right, only that part which will come inside your selection box will get selected. If you select from left, right to left like this, so whatever the point you will touch, that will be selected, right? So here you can see this. At this point, I am selecting from right to left, right? Only a certain part of this is inside my selection box. All these two walls are getting selected, right? If I try to select from left to right, here you can see a lot of portion is inside my selection box, but these will not be selected, right? For selecting from left to right, make sure your whole object should come inside your selection box like this, right? But for right to left, only some part that will come inside this selection box. All that wall will be selected automatically. So we will discuss all these things. So thank you very much.